Look what I have here, guys. Finally received my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's unbox it together. So I'll show you the actual phone. So this is it. This is the case I'm gonna be using. This clear case, and it comes with a screen protector as well. Ta-da! That's the. This is the beast, guys. It has a 6.9-inch display with Pro Motion. It can go up to 128 hertz. It has this ceramic shield. All of these three cameras you see are now 48 megapixels, all of them. And what else? That's the charging cable. That's it. No brick, no nothing, just a charging cable. So I'm gonna set it up and show you guys what it looks like. If you enjoyed watching this one, follow for the review video. See you next time. Peace.